If you want to install a Python package or module for Python 3 and above, first you have to install Python 3 pip and Python 3 dev. So let me install Python 3 pip and Python 3 dev. Okay. After that, we can install new Python package or module. So here I am going to install Python module named Django. For that we can use pip3 installer or apt installer. So first let me try to install the module Django using pip3 installer. So before installing Django, let me open Python 3 interactive shell, then try to import the Django. So it's more you can see the import error, no module named Django. Then let me install Django using Python using pip3 installer. It's downloading. Okay, installation completed. Now let me open Python 3 interactive shell, then import Django. See, it's working. So if you want to remove Django, you can use sudo pip3 uninstall Django. Okay, it's removed. Let me confirm that. Go to Python 3, then import Django. See. So I told you there is one more option. You can use apt to install packages for Python 3. So let me try that. So here I am going to install Django for Python 3 using apt. Okay, installation completed. Now let me go to Python 3, then try to import Django. See, it's working. So if you want to uninstall Django which you installed using apt, you cannot use pip3 uninstall. If you use pip3 uninstall Django, it will not work. So you have to use apt-get purge command. apt-get purge Python 3-Django. Okay, it's removed. Let me confirm that. Go to Python 3, then import Django. See, it's removed. So this way we can install new packages or modules for Python 3 and above.